Hey, it's Anissa. Today we have a fantastic deal for you on this Deluxe wireless doorbell kit. Now what sets this apart from others, you don't get just one, you get two push buttons. So this is great because it gives you a lot of versatility. You can put one in your front door, your back door, side door, anywhere you need a doorbell, you've got one. This speaker has 3 different chimes to choose from, but what's really cool, you can set each button with a different chime so you know where the visitor is at. Sure, you can put one at a door, but you can use another one for somebody who has limited mobility and might need to ring for you. You're gonna love how easy this is to set up. There's no complicated wiring, no electricians needed. It sets up in minutes. Here's how you do it. You simply take the back cover off, place 3 C batteries in it. Now they're not included, but we have a great price on our site. Now to program each button, you follow these instructions. For one, press and hold the middle button until you hear the alert. Then cycle through the middle button to pick your desired chime. To program the second doorbells, follow the same instructions, but this time press and hold down the bottom button. To control the volume for both, just adjust this dial. Each doorbell is weather resistant for outdoor use, plus it has a range of 200 feet. That's double most on the market, and you even get all the mounting hardware. But the best part is our super low price. We have a limited stock, and when I tell you our crazy deal, you're gonna agree. This is selling for $29.99 at Home Depot, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. In fact, you can get 3 of these for less than that price. But hurry, they're not gonna last long. Head on over to Pulse TV and grab yours today.